Removing the front bumper on the BMW F20 Series. Start at the top, remove this rubber seal, and you'll have 6 T30 Torx screws to remove. So in the wheel arches you've got 3 8mm screws immediately visible and one at the top pointing that way, but behind the wheel arch liner there is another 8mm screw pointing that way. So the wheel arch liner either needs to be removed, or if you wished you could remove these from the side and another one down here and bend it out of the way. I'm going to remove the wheel arch liner fully. So to remove the wheel arch liner, start by removing all the 8mm screws you can see. If you don't want to remove the wheel arch liner fully, remove as many screws as you need to be able to bend the wheel arch liner out of position enough to access the 8mm bolts that point upwards there. There's just 2 of them to remove. That's it. Now underneath the front of the bumper you've got 8 8mm screws to remove. Disconnect the wiring for the fog lights. Finally, before you remove the bumper, make sure that you push this clip down here. So push the bumper onto the car and press this clip down here.